students, I am Sophia, your science teacher. Today I am going to explain you about weather and climate. Already you have learned in class 6 that in the lesson rain, where does it come from? Ramya's mother suggested her to carry an umbrella with her. Why she said that? Because she said that you should carry an umbrella because it may rain. How she can say it can rain? That is by seeing the sky. That means she had predicted the weather. She had predicted the weather. And these predictions are not new for us. Our elders, we always hear our elders predicting the weather. Like by seeing the sky, they'll say it may rain, it may can't rain today because it is not cloudy at all, and it is too bright. So I think there is no rainfall today. In this way, the elders will give predictions every time. So sometimes predictions may come true, sometimes they won't be true. So here, in the same way, the predictions, whatever they are doing, how they are related to the weather. So let us find out what is meant by weather actually. So weather and climate, these are two different phenomena. So let us see what is weather. So if you see, I have made a table here. So these are the aspects of weather. So weather is not a single component, it is the union of different components here. See, maximum temperature. In a day, at what time the temperature will be maximum, that will be recorded. Then minimum temperature. In a day, which time the temperature is less, that is what minimum temperature. Then rainfall, sky, wind, humidity, sunrise and sunset. All these 7 things we combine together and they collectively called as weather. See here, if you see, there are 3 days. I have made a table of 3 days. In these 3 days, you can see here the weather is going on changing. Not only temperature but even wind, even sunrise and sunset timings are also changing here. See, day 1 the maximum temperature is 28. Whereas on the second day it is 27. And on third it is more than these 2 days. It is 29 degrees Celsius. See, minimum temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. Here 17 degrees Celsius. On third day it is 21 degrees Celsius. And rainfall. On first day there is no rain. On second day there is light shower. Okay, little rainfall. Then third day no rainfall. Sky may be clear. Because there is no rainfall, that means clouds are not there. So that is what sky is clear. Because light shower, cloudy. Here it is cloudy. So here we can predict that it may rain. But what time, that we can't say. Wind, very mild breeze. Breeze means before rainfall you get cool wind, that is called as breeze. So very mild breeze, less breeze was there. And mild breeze, that is before light shower. And here good breeze, full of breeze was present on the third day. Then humidity, 95%, 90 and 85%. So here sunrise and sunset timings are also considered in the are the parts of weather. See, on the first day sunrise is 6:25 am. Second day 6:30, there is a 5 minutes difference here. On third day only 1 minute difference comparing to second and third. See, second day 6:30 am, third day 6:31 am. That means sunrise timings will also change. Sunset timings you see here, first second day are same, third day is 5:41. That means there is a change in the sunset timings also. So by seeing this table, can you say that we can predict the weather? It is very easy to predict? No, weather is a very critical phenomena. It is difficult to predict the weather because it may change in very less time. Very short period of time we can see that whether the components of weather will be changing. So these are the 3 days which we have done. So predictions by seeing the clouds, the elders will predict. Next one here according to you now, we have read the table. Can you say what is the humidity on second day? How much percentage of humidity was there? It is 90%. What is the minimum temperature on day 1? That is 21 degrees Celsius. And there is a rainfall on third day. Do we find any rainfall on third day? No, there is no rainfall on third day. Sunrise timings on third day is 6:31 a.m. Sunset timings on first day is 5:40 p.m. So you may get a question, so you have to see the table thoroughly and you have to answer. See now a question. What is this table consisting of? It consists of the weather. Okay, different components of weather. So as we have seen here, maximum temperature, minimum temperature, rainfall, sky maybe, wind, humidity, sunrise and sunset timings are the aspects of weather. Very very important point to remember. As if one changes, the complete weather may change. Okay. So next one here, you can see these studies. How we got these studies? These studies are made by the department called as Meteorological Department. Like we people, we are educational department. That means we will teach you how to study or how to deal with the subjects, right? That is educational department. In the same way, we have meteorological department. You know medical department, what medical department people will do? They will go through the treatment, they will find out the disease and all those. In the same way, here we have meteorological department. This department studies about the weather and climate of different places. The study of weather and climate of different places is done by the department. Which department? Meteorological department. And the people who are present here, those are called as meteorologists. They are scientists, but they are called with this name, that is meteorologists. Okay, so the meteorologists study the temperature, study the weather and climate, and they will give this all report for us. Now, in year 2004, there was a tsunami which has taken place. It has made a lot of damage to life and property. Many people died because of this tsunami. So what happened? Actually this weather, as it is changing, we can see people will predict it. At that time, what happened near the tribal people near Andaman and Nicobar Island, they have seen the birds are chirping. There were different voices were made by the birds. That why that birds have felt there is a danger, because Andaman and Nicobar Island, it is near the ocean. So what happened? They have seen unusual movement of water. So as they have seen unusual movement of water, they have started making a noise. So the tribal people who are living there, they understood that there is a danger and they have moved away. But the people like you and me who live in the cities and all, we don't know what are these all. And in the same way, the people at that time have lost their lives and properties. So as you think it is very easy to predict the weather, but it is very difficult to predict weather because it may change in very short period of time. So now we are going to make a graph. This meteorological department people will make graph to know about the weather. So we can consider only one component here. We are going to consider maximum temperature, the weather of. I am going to make a graph of maximum temperature. Okay, first aspect I am going to take is maximum temperature. So already you know how to make a graph, right? We have learned in the maths. There are two axes. So this is our graph paper. There are two axes. This is what x-axis and this is y-axis. So on x-axis we are going to take this. We are going to take days. So we are going to take days on x-axis. So first day 1, day 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 days we are going to take days on x-axis and the maximum temperature on y-axis. So first day 30, 30.5, 31, 31.5 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Celsius, 32.5 degrees Celsius. So on and down also it will be entered here because the table is starting from 30. I have taken 30. So now how to make a graph here? People know very well, but once again I am going to explain you. So which graph we are going to make? We are going to make the graph of maximum temperature. On day 1, what is the temperature there? It is 30. Here you have to point. Okay, and on day 2, what is the temperature here? 31 degrees Celsius. That means here is. And on third day, same temperature, that is 31 degrees Celsius. Fourth day, the temperature is 30, again come. Fifth day, the temperature is 31. So we have done the markings based on these temperatures. According to days, we have done the markings. So the maximum temperature which I have taken is of 5 days. That is from 10th December to 14th December. So let us join all these points. So in this way, the meteorological department people will be making the graphs, and by using these graphs and all, they will predict the weather. But many times what happens, their predictions may come true and sometimes their predictions may not come true. So what is weather? Now we discussed about weather. Nowadays we are getting weather, AccuWeather, weather apps, right? AccuWeather is a weather app. By seeing this we can decide, we can check the weather of forward, future, and as well as the past, present, everything can be done nowadays by using this weather apps. I have written only one app. There are so many apps present in our softwares. So let us find out what is weather report and where there is any change in the past report and future report or not. Let us find out.